In front of me is OPPO F19 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. And by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Following that, tap on Keyboard and Input method. Select Manage Keyboards and Keyboard. Now just tap on Theme section. Finally, you can scroll all the way down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you can see all available themes. When you find the best one for you, click on it. Then manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And last but not least, to save your keyboard, hit apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of mine has changed. If you wish to customize it, go back to the same settings, but this time select this plus under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you finished, select Next. Then adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and hit apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!